So my 13-year-old is fussing and saying, "Why does my stuff always break?" And sure enough, you can see right here there's a switch missing. It actually happens to be right over there. It broke off in the casing here. And he goes, "But Dad, I drop it all the time and it's never broken before." So after watching all the videos of people soldering with heat guns and whatnot, I'll give it a try and see if I can get that switch to stay put again. We'll see what happens. I have one, but I never use it. But I have it, so we'll give it a try.
Found stranded wire. It came off a couple of times, but I finally got it to stay.
Alright, I got it to power on and off after I melted the case with the heat gun, but now I'll see if I can find an actual switch somewhere. Actually, maybe I can just extend this switch. I might be able to just solder onto that now that I'm an expert at this. Sarcasm. But hey, I might get these headphones working again yet. Who knows?